Today we are talking about how VDS could enforce the secure user password policy on a web server. In the first image, we can see that to start this process, you need to download PW Quality. This is the password policy module. By downloading this will allow us to set the rules for the password creation. So as you can see here, this is the process of the PW Quality being installed. Once you have it installed, you have to do etc pam.d/common-password. This will allow you to enter the password policy directory. This is where we're going to be able to edit the common password file, which allow us to configure our own password policies. So each of the parameters here, they have its own meaning. For example, retry, this means the number of times a user could try the password, or where lcredit, which means the number of lowercase. Basically, it means the number of lowercase letters that are needed. As VDS, this is very important because this allows them to set very high password policies, which will protect their employees' accounts. In the next image, we can see that we have created a test user. This is because I would like to test the actual policies I've created. I want to see if the policies actually work. So by using this test user, this will allow me to create my own password. As we can see here, it wouldn't let me accept my new password because it contains less than one digit. Because of my digits, I have to make it that it has to be more than one number. So because it's less than one number, it won't allow the password. However, because there's a number of retries we have. For example, I have set there's 3 retries. So after the 3 retries, it will lock you out because the password isn't created properly. So you have to redo it. In the next step, we're just following a section where we have to create password. It's telling you that the password has been accepted. Then you have to follow the rest of the instructions. The next step is where we're going to edit the expiry date for passwords. We want the expiry date of the passwords to be between 10 to 30 days. This is because if you have a password and never resets, it can be easily guessed and it will be very unuseful for VDS. So to check the expiry date, you would have to input sudo change-l webmaster. Once you enter it, you should be able to see that we can see the expiry information of the password. However, we need to edit this. To edit this, you will need to do sudo change -- then the username of the user you're on. Once you're in, you'll be entered the directory of the login.devs. Once you have entered the line of code, you will be brought to this password directory where you have to edit the policies to your liking. So in this image above, I have edited the settings for the following parameters. However, VDS, they can change it to whatever they like. For example, I put pass max days. This is because I want the password to be changed every 30 days, because if the password doesn't change every 30 days, it will become unuseful for VDS. This is because of the password not being able to be changed, it will be easily guessable and it will be unsafe for VDS because any unauthorized user could try to guess the password and get it correct within 30 days or more if the user doesn't change the password. Once you have changed the policies, you're able to enter the following command, sudo change/username. This will allow you to see your policies to see if they have changed and have been updated. Thank you for listening.